Now this one is probably one of my favorite dances right now. It's very high intensity. It's going to get your heart rate up, but it's a very leg and booty killer. So you're really going to feel it, but I kept the chorus fun, so that way you get to catch your breath, you get to have fun with the dance, but then in the verse, you're really going to work those legs and booty. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial, and then we will do it with the music. It's easy to learn, hard to do, so just know that, okay? So you're going to start out with the chorus, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to jump rope, okay? So you're just acting like you're jump roping, but your legs are going to go side to side, okay? So let's do that. So you're going to hit 1, 2. From here, you're going to cross, over, up, down, okay? So again, you're going to cross. When you do this, your hip is going to go out. So you're going to cross, bring your arms over your chest. So you're going to open up, and your hips are going to go to the other side. Then you're going to take your hip back. Arms are going to go up, down, and look down, okay? So you're going to cross, look down. Cross, look down, okay? So a little dancey, very fun to do. So let's do this, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? From there, we have this 3 times in a row. Okay? So let's try this for 3 times. Hopefully by the 3rd time, you will get it. If not, you can always rewind and do it again. Okay, so here's the beat. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? From there, so that's 3 times. Oh, this is hard, and I haven't even got to the verse. Okay, from there, you're going to sit down your legs. Core is tight. We're going to work on your core. We're going to work on your arms. Hand is in fist. Sit down squat position. Core is tight. So you're going to punch, 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 punch. When you're doing that, you're crunching your stomach at the same time, okay? So you're punch, 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 punch. All right, let's do that from the top. After you do that, you're just going to repeat it one more time. That is the chorus. So let's actually do it 2 full times. That way you know that's the chorus. And that gives you a little bit more practice to do it with the dance. So starting from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Punch, down, punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Whew. I hope you're out of breath like I am, or I'm out of shape right now. All right, so this is a great workout dance that we're doing. Okay, so that's your chorus. You know the chorus stays the same. You start with the chorus, you're going to end with the chorus in this song, okay? So you have 2 verses. The 2 verses are the exact same. So it's going to do chorus, verse, and end with the chorus, okay? So all you gotta do is learn this verse, and you are golden, and you got the whole dance down, okay? Remember, start with the chorus, verse 1, back to chorus, verse 2, end with the chorus, okay? So let's do this verse. This is really when you're gonna work the booty and legs, okay? So you are going to squat down, kick up. Remember, when you're doing that, you're squeezing your stomach and squeezing your glutes, okay? If you can't kick up, that is fine. I just want you to go squat, squeeze, okay? Sometimes I do that all the time because it is a killer workout, okay? So you're going to squat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we have 4 to the front. Moving on, we're going to have squat, kick back, okay? And we're going to have 4 of these. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's add that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. All right. Moving on to the fast pace, okay? Like I said, if you just need a squat on those, take 8 squats, just body squats, okay? You're still gonna get a great workout. It's your workout, your body, you do what you want. Moving on, we're gonna do in and out squats. We're gonna do 4 to the front, and then we're gonna go around the world with it, okay? So 4 to the front, get you comfortable with it, and then we're gonna take it around the world. So you're gonna do in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, turn, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Whew. Remember to stay down those legs, okay? You're really gonna feel it, okay? Remember it's in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, turn. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay? Whew. So, next, you're going to go straight back to those squat kick-ups, okay? So, or body squats, whatever you want to do. Squat, kick, squat, kick, squat, kick, take it back, squat, kick, squat, kick, squat, kick, and kick. Guess what? We only have one more move to learn, and you're done. You've learned the whole dance. So after this, we will do a whole chorus and verse. That way you feel comfortable with it, and then you'll be able to do it with the dance. So let's learn this last move, okay? This, you're going to rock your hips, okay, to the right first for an 8, and then we're going to rock your hips for 8 to the left, okay? When you're doing this, I want you to really get down those legs, suck your stomach in, moving your arms the same way your hips are going, making them tight so you're getting that arm workout as well, and moving the hips, crunching your stomach, okay? So you're gonna hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, other side. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Whew. Now we've learned all the moves in this dance. Let's put it together, chorus and verse, and then you're ready to do the dance. Remember, chorus, first verse, chorus, second verse, end with the chorus. All right, let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, and 4. Punch, back, punch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it back. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4. In and out squats. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Turn in and out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Back to squat. Squat, kick, kick. Whew. Take it back. We're almost done. Kick, kick, kick. One more time. Give me hips. Hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. Hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Whew. That's a great workout. Remember, if you need to go back and do this tutorial again, that is fine. If you need to modify it, that is fine. If you're ready, let's do it with music.
Jump rope. Hit. Tell her what. I got it. Come on. Get it what? Let's go. Hit. Punch down. Punch. Jump rope. Get it. Let's go. Come on. Hey, I got it. One more time. Come on. Punch. Squat down. Pick up or. Option is up and squeeze. Either one, take it back, kick, or squeeze. In and out, down your legs, hit. Get it, come on.
People, we all shine. 7 days a week, it's no debate that we all
Turn it.
You see them haters be on mine. Talking about your boy like he the greatest.
Squat kick up.
If you flown it, then you should know that I want it. I be on it, I be ballin'. I'll do the night
Take it
till the
back,
morning.
squeeze your booty.
You should see me move.
Get it.
I see it, dog. Cause I go hard in everything.
Give me
I do.
hips.
Not
Hips
bitch,
right, hips.
Checking competition, checking on my position. And no one mind is missing when we talking about my commission.
Switch hips.
If you ain't hear me,
Get
then
it,
stop and
get
listen. Cause no one mind is missing when we talking about my commission.
From the top.
Baddest women in
Tell her
the
what. You got it.
that
Get
money
it.
stacking to
Come
the
on.
ceiling, fool. I got it.
One more time.
Watching you watch how I move.
Get it.
I got it. You got
Hey.
it. I got it. You got
Get
it.
it.
I got it. You see
Come
the
on.
baddest women in the
Tell her
room.
what. I got it.
That money stacking to
Woo!
the ceiling.
Let's go, Lester.
People
Get
watching
it.
you watch how I move. I got it. You got
Hey.
it. I got it. You got
All right,
it.
back two legs.
Only strong as your leader is. That's why my team just know I'll never leave it this.
Woo!
Pockets
Take
get
it back.
fatter and fatter. In fact, I need it this. I'm getting money, it don't matter what the season is.
In and out squats. Come on.
And your girl love it. Cause she know I be
Push
stuck.
yourself
She just
every
how I
breath.
does it.
Come on.
She know I ain't front.
Turn.
I got the streets bustin'.
Down.
And you ain't got nothing.
Down.
You gotta at least comment with the need to be something, man.
Yes.
Listen, ambitions a part of my plan. Mission, transition, cash, rich.
I messed
getting
up.
some
Take
more
it back.
ambitions. That's why they tryna
Here,
keep me in
thank
common
you,
with me.
Leslie.
Just know my
Now hips.
come to protect.
Hips, get it.
Checking competition,
See, you
checking
messed
on my
up. Yes,
position.
okay,
And
just
no
keep
one minds
going.
missing when we
I
talking
mess up
about
all
my
the time.
commission.
I've been doing
If
this
you
for
ain't
10
hear me, then
years.
stop and listen. 'Cause
Get
no
it.
one mind is missing when we
All right,
talking about my
from the top, let's
commission.
go.
Baddest women in the
Get
room.
it.
I got it. That
Come
money
on.
stacking to the ceiling.
What?
I got it.
Come on.
Watching you watch how I
Get
move.
it.
I got it. You
Hey.
got it. I got it. You got it. I got it. You see
Get
the
it.
baddest women in the
Tell
room.
her what. I got it.
That money stacking to
Woo.
the ceiling. I got it. And people watching you watch how I move. I got it. You got
Hey.
it. I got it. You got it.
Everybody sweating yet?